it is time for the long-awaited video. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, it's me, e.l.f.a. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is e.l.f.a. and I do a lot of things with my YouTube. And if you've been here, welcome back. Because last week I did a little teaser for all the unboxings. It's like an it's like a blind box haul. But I teased because I told like some of my friends that I'm gonna unbox them. I did unbox them. I didn't unbox all. If you guys haven't checked out my Twitch, I unboxed these and I'll include it into the video there. If you want a link to my Twitch, I'll link it down below. I am very proud of myself that I am able to leave it boxed for so long. Let me unbox this one because this was from Christmas. This is the Monsters Classic series. These are the plush stars. Okay, so we got this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll start with 2. The box is so cute. Look at that. Let's go. Let me put it on the side here. Oh my god, it lit up. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. It's nice and cute and pink. It's very Christmassy, so I totally I should have just opened it around Christmas time. But, well, I didn't have it at Christmas time. I have it after Christmas, but it's so adorbs. The card is a sticker. Cute. Let me put that on the side. Right. Oh, I had a spoiler. The card is on top. Anyway, this is spooky. It's a nice, it's like a light mint green. That's cute. Let's see him light up. Adorable. So cute. So cute. I can't believe I got spoiled. Oh. You're like speed wrap. Okay, the card was not on top, which is great. I don't want to be spoiled again. It's La Boo. Look at that. That's so cute. The white has like gold specks around. Cute. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite. And you can tell it's also Pop Mart's favorite because it's a heart. Next one. Oh. It doesn't make that much noise. Okay, no card. It's a nice purple one. It's so cute. Look at that. I love this type of purple, guys. I love lilac purple. It's my favorite. It's right next to the League of Pink. But ultimately, my favorite color is black. This brings me joy. Just because it's stars, it's Christmas, and everyone has their different personalities. Let's see. Ooh, we got, what was it? Pippo. Nice. Blue is not really my favorite too much. This is cute though. I forgot to light them up for you guys. This has I didn't light up Labubu. I think it's the same color of light anyways, so it's not something different. Please be Thai Coco. No, there is a secret. Please give me Thai Coco. I want Thai Coco. Yay, it's Thai Coco. He's a reindeer. Look at that. I love him. You know why I like Thai Coco? Because he's a skull. Look at that. Adorbs. And it's brown. It's neutral. I love it. I would want to put you in my mic. But not right now. I love Emma. Emma's like this. Quality is so nice and heavy. I bought some Emma from like Demoo and Shein, and they feel adorable. And this is from Emma, like this is from TikTok, but I think it's connected to the manufacturers of Emma. So yeah, did that make sense? So cute. Look at that. And then that's what it looks like, these options. Let's see. They don't have a pull tab, so I have to get from the top. And from the top, make it drop. That sounds. Please no card. Please no card. Okay. This bag is so adorable. Look at that. Cute. Cute. I'm so great. What? Oh my gosh, so fun. Oh my god, look at the details of this. Look at her shine. Then you see the veil? You see that heart? You see how iridescent looking she looks? She's perfect. Here comes the effing bride, the back of the card, and this is her card. It's foiled. How? It's not even gonna focus. It's too good. It's too good, guys. Can't get over how cute this bag is. I want to keep the bag. My goodness, the details, how heavy it is. Look at the horns. I can't. I don't know. I'm gonna run out of vocab words. Who's next? Hello? You're the groom. My bad. My bad. This is the bride. Groom, bride. Details, guys. Details. Look. Are you looking? The tail. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Not ready. I'm not ready. You guys can barely see me, but that's okay. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at her with a little bow and a heart. And another bow. In the back. Look at that. It has hearts. Finally found the groom. He's so cute. He has a little unicorn head. Look. Oh my god. He's a unicorn! What's a crown? Please be the black one. I want the black one. So cute. My favorite. Yeah, y'all move aside. Hold on. My favorite. These. Because he made it with. They made it with the bows. Look at the heart. Just. It's too much. I still have these singles. I have the Roly Poly Pucky. I have the Emma Secret Forest. I have the Demoo World bag. And I think that's it for the singles. So now let's open them. I'm gonna recover from Emma. We're gonna go with the bag. So there's Drawing Spring. This is cute. I like that it has flowers. We have Starcatcher. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the dark blue and black combo. We have Bear Guardian, which is a nice pink one, and then we have Moonlight Explorer. Then in the other side we have Sleepy Fortune, and then Floating Garden, and One Secret. So let's see what we got. Cute. This is the, I think this is the Sailor. No, this is Moonlight Explorer. This is a bag for your phone. Where I usually just take my phone and a small wallet most of the time. Here you go. This is cute. Roly Poly. So for Pucky, we have, they're all cats. So we have the Calico Cat. We have Noble Cat, which is just a white one. And then we have Pink Cat, Black Cat, American Short Hair, and the Red Tabby. And we have a mystery. I would like the American Short Hair, which is the gray one, the Black Cat, and the Pink Cat. Any of these three. I don't know what the mystery one looks like, but that would be cool to have one too. You can hear the bell. This thing is glued tight. This thing is heavy because it rolls. Yay, I got the gray one. Look how cute it is. Well, let me fix the fluff. Hold on. You can see the tail. Look. You want to see how it rolls? One of the reasons why I buy it, because I can literally just have it on my desk, and if I hit it, it will just keep coming back straight. Now for the Emma. Secret Forest. I got the plate like I said last time. I would like anything else but the plate. But if I would have to pick my favorite, it would be the birthday cake right here. The birthday cake, the sunflower, and probably your cake. But everything else is fine. It's the sunflower. I love it. I love it so much. Let's open Space Molly. This is another one I'm very excited for. I said from the last video that I mostly bought Space Molly because there's Garfield, because John loves Garfield. Bam! Display. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll go with 7. That's 6. This is what the box looks like. I am ready. I am ready. Oh yeah, I wanted the heartfelt words and the graffiti and the Garfield. So heartfelt words, graffiti, and the Garfield. Oh, there's so much stuff. Oh, okay, there you go. This is the Molly bag. This is the 100% series. Cute! This is the Care Bear one, the green one. But then it's always displayed like this. But Molly looks like this. She looks so cute. I love the green. The green. She has heart eyes, guys. She has heart eyes. Oh, I don't want to see the gun, please. No, 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 no. Put it back in. It's the Garfield one! Look! Look at that. So cute. Ready? Ready? Molly? She has orange eyes. I don't want to see the gun, please. It's transparent. This is Tetris. It has the Tetris pieces inside. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this Molly has pom-pom balls. Look. She has the ombre pink. We got Ted. This is cute. To be honest, I haven't watched any Ted movies, but this is cute. She has brown eyes. And the detail in the back. Oh, I like ripped the box. I think we are missing Gray Baseman, the Tender Heart Bear, and Peach 2016. And then, yeah. I think we got a secret. Look. Her eyes are two-toned. No, it's ombre. It's four-toned. This is so cute. Kenny Wong, who is the creator of Molly, Molly, by the way. Kenny Wong. Oh my gosh. I think the box for Space Mollies, we get one secret. I don't really know. There's too much secret. It's on the Space Mollies. Oh, we got the gray heart one. We got the baseman. Look at that. It's like black and red. I like that. And then, bam. Is this the other pink one? Peach 2016. This one's pretty cute. It has like those outer round bald ears. Why is the foot so wonky? Oh wait, you can turn the feet? No way. Bam. And her feet is loose. Don't. Power of Kenny Wong. Let's go. Oh no, we got Tenderheart. Cute. She has hearts in the back instead of A beads, hearts. Bam. The heart is more prominent on this one. We are down to our last two boxes, and I want to save the Nomies for last. So we're gonna open Poko's Adventure. This is the, when it came out, this is the absolute box I wanted. This is the absolute blind box I absolutely wanted. Because everything looked cute. And none of them are ugly. Everything's just cute. You just have to wait. Oh no, the accessories. Oh no, the accessories. No. I don't know what it is. Look, it's purple. Look at that precious little bean. This is the break time. So this is the accessories. It has a plate. I'm gonna assemble this for you guys so you guys can see. Look how cute that is. Too much, guys. It's too much. And the fucking, oh my gosh, it's too cute. It's too cute. This is the Beanie's Decision. It's so dark. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm gonna have the Poko Adventures and the Hironos next to each other. And oh, there's no plastic in this. It's transparent. It's so cute. It has a little tail. Hello. Oh, there you are. I might need a little glue tab for this, but this is cute. Oh no, it's magnetic. Look. Oh. You can hear it. Too cute. I can't. I have no words, guys. I have no words. Look. Just look. Every time I say look, take a shot. Look. Its little backpack. It's with the mushroom and the bird, the chick on top of her. Poko's Fantasy. You can, I don't know if the camera's picking up, but you can see the color on its coat. This is the one with the house. It looks too cute. It's so chubby. Bam! Cute. This is called A New Journey. I'm like holding it by its mushroom. This Poko is light. This is the truth. It's so light compared to the others. No, it's just as light as this. We have moved on to the last one, which is the Nomies Loveliness Never Ends. This right now is in competition with Labubu, I heard, but this is way more easier to get than Labubu, to be honest. And the one that sold me is their changing eyes. They're huge. Huge. Let me take out a box. Because there's only 6 of them. And I'm thinking there might be like there's one of 6 chances that you'll get one of these, and one of 72 chances you'll get the secret. But this is how big the box is. I really want the Nini, the Kyuki, the Juju, Tutu, and Mimi. I literally almost said all of them. Bin Bin looks cute. But yeah. But what I'm excited for all of them. Never mind. Don't ask me because I choose yes. Ready? I have to fix her eyes. We have Juju. These are her eyes. This is so cute. You can change her eyes. You can go like that. Or like that. It's Tutu. Let me fix her ears for you guys. Look at that. It's so cute. I want to take... This doesn't happen to me. We got the secret calico one. We did it, guys. We're the 1 in 72 chance. I could scream, but we're in a household. I could scream. Oh my god. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. But we should end the video because I shouldn't continue. I'm just kidding. It's Mimi. She is stuck. Okay. She looks so cute. She has to have the different eyes. Look at that. Look at her face makeup. This is the eyes. That one's with a cat paw. This is the solid color one. And then this is the ombre. She should have the cat paw. It's Nene! She has a bow. She has a heart. She has face tattoos. Her eyes is green. Or it could be a sheep. I'm gonna do a solid color. Look! She's so cute. This is her sheep eye. Well, that's her green eyes. And this is her sheep eyes. And her solid color. Yeah, I want to. Should you be my companion when I take you to work, so you can be my emotional support buddy? It's Kuki. Too cute. It's a bear. Now we're missing Bin Bin. I'm gonna go find you, Bin Bin. Let me find you, Bin Bin. Oh my god. I need more. I want more, please. It's so cute. There's a fruit one, and I know they sell it in the mall at where I live, but I'm gonna go buy it from Kiki Goods. I don't care. I need it. I want it. This is too cute, guys. This is too cute. I'm streaming. Here's the camera to my webcam, but here is the camera to my phone. So we'll be unboxing this Sad Club Crybaby Flowers, plush flowers blind box. I don't know what the secret looks like. I have not seen what it looks like. So yeah, we'll be unboxing this. The only thing is, you already know what it looks like when you open it. It's the blue one. Wow, it looks really cute. Yeah, it's open. Whatever. Wow, isn't it adorbs? Look at that. Look at that. It's hanging on by a thread. It's a sticker. It's a fucking sticker. Look at that. It's a sticker. You see? You see? It's a sticker. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And bam. It's the purple one. It's cute. Actually, I like this color. This kind color purple. Look how cute that purple is. Of course. And bam. That one's pretty cute. Not reloaded. It's my favorite one. It's the brown girl with the yellow flower. It's me, guys. It's me. It goes well with this because I have a yellow light. It's me. Hi. It's gonna stay with me. Oh my. Oh, this is cute. It's like the other one. It's like the same thing, but it's like 2 different pinks. And 2 different hair colors. Because this one, nope, it's the same hair color. What a waste. Boom. Yay, it's the orange one with the brown hair. Now this looks like a burnt chicken nugget. No, burnt orange chicken. Look at that. Look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is quite a long one. See you guys next Sunday. And if you need, I will link everything that I unboxed down below as best as I can. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Give this video a like, a comment on which one is your favorite, and what I should check out next. And that I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, don't forget to believe in yourself and just be you. See you guys next time. Bye.